guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new company to tell you about, and that would be right about here. And this is from Her Love Collections. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So there is a company by the name of Her Love Collections. They got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you some items that they have to offer. They do have a few different things in their store with new things coming out, so you can always check back and see what they have to offer at any given time. And I do love crystals and everything with that aspect, so I thought this would be a good thing to show you guys a new company if you are interested. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we're going to have. They did generate my own code, which is Shecrafty10, and that'll get you 10% off their shop. One thing that I do want to say though, I've had a lot of companies reach out to me throughout my whole YouTube journey, and this is the only one that actually sent me a video talking to me, introducing themselves and their company to me. And I just thought that was just really neat that they did that. That's why I took the extra time to see what they were all about. And I wanted to show you guys because they took that extra time to make an actual video to talk to me and introduce me like face to face. So I just thought that was really neat, something I've never seen before. So I said yes, and I wanted to let you guys know. So a little bit about the company. The owner had launched Her Love Collections on August 3rd, 2020. Yes, during a pandemic, it says. I lost my job in March of 2020, and it took several months before obtaining unemployment. As a single mother and someone very familiar with running an online side hustle since the age of 11, I pulled together my savings and opened up an online business. All my friends and family would come to me in regards to sage and crystals. As a new self-love author, I thought it would be the perfect marriage. So during the pandemic and then the situation that had happened, she actually started this company. So it's a very newly started company, and she does offer quite a few things on her site, and I will link everything down below. And she sent some stuff in here to show you guys. So let's open this and see what she wants you to see. So let's get this opened. How cute. There's a sticker. It says, "Be brave." And it has Her Love Collection here. And then there's a stamp that says, "Stay humble, work hard, be kind." That's some words to live by, let me tell you. So, oh, there's tape. And some more tape. Okay. It says, Her Love Collections is the place to find affordable homemade candles and crystals to add to your collection. Besides being a perfect addition to your outfit or your home, these beautiful pieces can attract good energy and love to your daily life. So let's see. All right. So you open it up. There's a stamp here that says thank you, and then the Her Love Collection sticker there. Thank you for supporting my small business sticker here with the tissue paper. And when you open it up, that's a sneak peek of what is inside. So again, this is not a subscription box, but they have individual items that you can purchase directly from the store. So the first thing right on top, it says learn more about crystals, and there's a QR reader. I'm definitely going to do this once I'm off the phone because I would love to learn anything that I can about them. I do have some books, so I'm interested to see what this is going to do, but there's a QR reader to give you more information about learning more about crystals. So that's neat. So I'm definitely going to check that out. Then there are, oh, there's a business card right there. There's the business card. And then it says, "Beyond grateful. Thank you for your order." So just a little thank you card that's put in there as well. So that is neat. So the first item that I'm pulling out is a sage bundle. So here is a sage bundle. There's that. I have sage growing in my garden, but sage bundle. Now we have is a candle. You got some, I can hear some crystals in there. So that's what the top of it looks like. Here's this little guy. Does it tell me? It's a 2.5 ounce. And then when you open it up, oh, there we go. Okay. It says Her Love Collection Peppermint. It does smell like peppermint. So there's peppermint. There's like some crystals tossed on top. And it looks like maybe little pieces of sage or something. There's little pieces of something. And then there's glitter on top of the actual candle. And this is in the scent Peppermint. So there's a 2.5 ounce candle. Now we have in here is a pink little bag, and it looks like, ooh, okay, so it looks like here are some crystals that were down in here. Here's some points. That looks like that's amethyst, maybe clear quartz. I'm not quite sure. There's nothing that says the names of them. Here's this one. There's that one. There's that. And then here's this guy. I think that's jasper. I'm not quite sure though. Good thing I have that QR code so I can learn more about crystals. So then there's that. So all of these were down inside of this little pink bag. Then here's this guy. I don't know, but I'm not sure what that is. So there's that. And then down inside of here, it has their Her Love collection sticker in this bag. So the first thing that's in this bag is this necklace. That's really pretty with the ball, the crystal. And again, I don't know what crystal this is because there's nothing in here that tells me which ones to identify them. But here is a necklace and it's on like this little corded chain. Then here, does this match? No. That would have been nice if they matched. But here is this bracelet. They look like little wooden beads. And my big wrist. But there's the bracelet. And then the last item in here looks like a pair of earrings. Yes, so here is a pair of earrings. That is the top part. And then that is what they look like. Those are really pretty. So you have like a little dangle. And if you guys watch me, you know my ears are super, super sensitive. So I will hold these off for one of you guys and I'll put it in a future giveaway so one of you guys can enjoy these, but those are super pretty. So I'll stick them back in here. Okay. And then there's one more item in here, you guys. And that is, this is probably her book. So when it said she's a self-loved author, this is her book, and she actually included her paperback book in here. I believe you can purchase this by paperback and by digital, but that is really neat that she included her actual book. I'm excited to read that and see what's all in there. It says, I Am Love, a personal self-love guide. Learn to love yourself and tap into your powers. Yes, you need to love yourself. So that is really neat. There's even like pages in here to take notes. And then that's cool. So yeah, I can't wait to sit down and read the book, but there is her book, the owner of this company. That's cool. So the items that she had sent me to show you guys would be her book that she wrote, which that's awesome. We have a necklace, we have a pair of earrings, you have a bracelet, sage, this. We have all of these little crystal points, and then we have this crystal, and we have a candle. And I believe they even have a set of like all different types of candles and all kinds of stuff that you can find. But again, I will link everything down below and you can take a look at it. And Shecrafty 10 will get you 10% off her shop if you see anything that you would like to purchase. And yeah, so that is everything, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that she sent for me to show you guys? Are you interested in checking out the shop? Go ahead and comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.